These are the type of videos that I know is going to benefit you. These are the ones that you're looking for. These are the extremely bullish options, extremely high risk plays. And the one you see behind me, I'm gonna show you another chart in a second, showing you a weekly time frame. And I literally just sold all of my XYO and I put it into ASM. Why did I do this? Why would I do this? Well, one reason, I made some money with XYO. I did well when it pumped. A second reason is what I'm about to show you in a second. And the third reason is this market cap is under 35 million. $35 million market cap, ASM right now. You see the chart behind me. It is a pump and dump. But I believe we are about to pump, and I'm going to tell you why in today's video. Of course, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's all my own opinion. But I look at the charts. I tend to look at a weekly and a daily time frame, and I find setups that set you up for life. Let's get into it. Now, before I show you the chart and show you the reason I sold all my XYO and put it all into ASM, I gotta show you this. The total and max supply is 3 billion. So I love that there is a cap on how many coins are created. This is also an AI play, and I believe AI is here to stay. And I think this could do well. You know, this is more of a gamble, I would say, from the chart I just showed you. But with the setup that I see right now and what it has done before, and with alt season right around the corner and the Bitcoin dominance about to fall off a freaking cliff, I feel very good about ASM, and that's why I added more today. The circulating supply is 1.5 billion, so about 50% of their coins are in circulation. They'll probably release more coins, but I wouldn't expect this until we at least run, right? Hopefully they do the right thing and they don't release any more coins and this thing gets bought up with what I'm about to show you. The market cap you can see is 33 million. Okay, this is the lowest market cap coin that I hold. Most of my coins are anywhere from a couple hundred million all the way up to Dogecoin and XRP, which is hundreds of billions for XRP. I think Dogecoin is under 50 billion right now. So I'm diversified the right way. What I think could happen with this, trading at 2.2 as I'm making this video right now, that's 2 cents basically, is I do believe this is a 20x potential. This is at least a 10x potential. I think it could definitely happen. It's happened before. I was begging you at $41.11 4 days ago, Comp Crypto is that sleeper. I explain what's going on with it. I even let members know a day ago that I just put $3,000 into this crypto, Comp at $40.10. I talk about the positive bullish divergence, the Fibonacci levels that you need to learn. Now Compound, as I'm making this video, is trading at $47.42. You could see that we bought down here, and now it's up there. Don't forget about WIF on April 30th and on multiple dates back in the day. I said the target is 135. The current price was 59 cents. This would be a 130% move higher. I'm talking about the resistance, but I literally said $1.35 is next. You can see on May 22nd, we hit $1.35 and then it crashed down. And then I gave members another opportunity for WIF when it was down 17%. I said I bought some WIF 4 days ago. This was when it was priced at 83 cents. Now is the time to lock in. I'm finding new ones every single day. We have 1,023 active members and it's June. Welcome to June. It's about to get exciting. Check out the links out down below. Once you join, I'll send you a message directly through the Patreon app and then you'll get access to our community on Discord. Now, testing. This is the reason why I sold all my XYO and I went all in on ASM. Again, XYO is also very high risk. There was talks of Tesla back in the day, but I just haven't really been following it. I'm following ASM a lot more. So for me, this made a ton of sense. You do what you want to do. Again, this is all my own opinion. Do even more research because again, you can see this pumps and it dumps. So you got to be very careful and know what you're doing. So looking at this is a weekly time frame. These big yellow arrows right here. What is it creating right now? It's creating something called positive divergence. So positive divergence is when the asset itself makes a lower low, but the RSI you see right here makes a higher low, okay? Higher low. You could see that's a higher low. That's clearly a lower low. Last time this happened was over here before it ran up. It made a lower low, and then you can see right there, there's a bull green line right there. That's a higher low. So when this happened on a weekly time frame, ASM ran, okay? And let me actually pull it up on my end real quick so I can let you know how many percents it ran, because that's important also. I mean, this thing ran for weeks, guys. When that happened over there, this thing, once it formed, that was on July 24th, 2023 over there, and then it topped in February 2024, okay? And it ran up, let's see, 1,600%, 1,700%. So again, when this thing goes, it goes, and it just formed this again. One more thing I'll note, this wasn't confirmed, but this also almost hit positive divergence with the higher lows on the RSI and the lower lows on the price, and you could see what happened to ASM again. So this one was over 1,700% return in several months. This one right here, I'll just tell you, when this bottomed, this was over a 350% return from here to there, and that was several months also. So for this, you know, it's probably going to run differently than all the other altcoins we talk about. But for me, with the setup I'm seeing right now, I had to sell my XYO and I had to go all in on ASM. And honestly, I might consolidate a couple more of my cryptos and put even more money into ASM. Yes, it's very risky, but to go from a $33 million market cap to a $330 million market cap is very easy, and that would be a 10x, and we've seen this before with other cryptos. Drop a like, subscribe. Let me know if you want more ASM videos. We'll see you on the next one.